Welcome to the Leaders in Sustainable Development training programme for Commonwealth Scholars. These sessions are run by Access-Ed, an international NGO specialising in research and development. Today we're discussing 4 upcoming sessions linked to the social impact and leadership strands. The first is leadership models and decision making, all about understanding your own personal leadership style, the difference between management and leadership pitfalls, managing upwards when you're in a role, and how to use the GROW model for decision making with yourself or a team. The second is preparing for social impact strategy planning. During this session, we'll cover impact in your research degree and beyond, linking your research to SDGs, outcomes, outputs and impact, the difference between these, using logic models for success, writing your own impact statement, and how to plan strategically for success in your degree. The third session is on impact and evaluation, the tools and methods for success. We'll cover where to start with a project, developing programme indicators, how to design your own impact evaluation study, and tips and tricks for doing one of these on the ground. The fourth is launching your own social project, which will include 10 practical steps for setting up a social project or your own entrepreneurial organisation. We'll cover choosing a social issue, your vision and mission, factors for setting up your own project, business planning and development, and practicing your own elevator pitch. So what's next? Applications for workshops are now open. Please visit the CSC website to find out more about the application process, and you can also get in touch with the communications team if you have any further questions. You'll be eligible to receive certificates once you complete the Understanding Development Impact training on FutureLearn, have attended an Access-Ed workshop, and also submitted the development training record towards the end of the academic year. Look out for more emails from the CSC engagement team for further details. We look forward to seeing you at training.